back to another video on the Sparks and Scrambles YouTube channel. Today Hunter and I are back at the 4-plexes, but doing a completely different job. We've both never done this before. You would have seen in some of our previous videos that 3/4 pipe that we put underneath into the basements into each unit. Well, that all goes outside the house, or outside like the 4-plex, and gets put into these big metal boxes that are pretty much just like a big junction box. You can see Hunter's like marking out where we're gonna put all the 3/4 holes. And we've already put the 2-inch hole with this knockout kit, where you pretty much just clamp it in between the metal and it'll just punch out whatever size you need. So getting to use some new tools and some stuff that we've never done before. So let's hope that we don't mess up and hope we do a good job. So it should be a good video. These holes, I think it's gonna be all prep work. Like putting it on the house, I think it's
that'll be easy.
It's gonna take 5 minutes, but actually getting all these knockouts done in 6 boxes, that's gonna be here most of the day just doing this.
How's that look?
Oh, it's bang on, man. Yeah, so see if this walks at all. If it does, we'll figure out it's some sort of punch. Hold this. That is where it's gonna grip up. Yep, I'm grabbing gloves, bro.
Yeah.
Like welding.
Yeah, I bet. Okay, that worked pretty well. I'm just gonna do a TA check quick.
Yeah.
Like a glove.
That, and then this piece is actually the cutting piece, so he's going to put that on the underside of that threaded stud, just like that, and then he's going to get that ratchet and he's literally just going to keep pulling that stud up against there, and it'll just perfectly cut out the 2-inch, because there's no 3-down knockouts at all. But this part sucks.
Actually, I think I might have found myself in a good position for this.
So the problem that we're having right now is that this particular box has, oh, fingers, has a knockout already here, and the knockouts are held in by these little metal kind of like weld points, but we're drilling right next to both of the weld points, so that knockout is going to come out. So Hunter with his big brain put the knockout on there.
Golden.
Nice. So now that stays in and doesn't fall out.
Yep. Man. cut the 2-inch first, I think.
And then transfer this across.
Yeah. That's probably our best bet. Let's see how this hacks.
So if I pull this off,
it doesn't have to be perfect because it's the first tight.
Fuck, I don't want to lose this string.
I'm just gonna go around like this.
Yeah, I'm trying to hold the string in the center of the pipe.
I'll flip that to the other side of my hand.
Furs off.
Okay, if we have glue.
You want to glue that now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we can.
I mean, once it's glued though,
Yeah,
it might be hard to cut those.
Well, what I'm thinking is these are so easy to pull. We'll pull them out in front and then just cut into the bottom of the box.
Okay, let's glue it.
Because 3/4 is so easy to bend. We'll go off the 2-inch, I think.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't work well on the first one, we won't do this like this.
Yeah, this is kind of the trial one, so. Good.
Oh, you pull that 2-inch out. That's on?
Yep, we're on.
Nice.
Sweet.
This will have to go.
Oh, we're gonna have to keep that box level though.
Yeah, should we mount it first is what I'm wondering.
Yeah, how are we gonna bend those pipes to get in?
Like this.
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
3/4 is easy to bend.
Okay. Yeah, even if we just put like 2 screws in.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the first Tellus box on the wall. And I think it looks pretty good. Nice and level.
I think the way we did it worked well.
Well, like in all the pipes, like you're not gonna get 3/4 to be perfect every time. Like that's pretty damn good. So now I think the hard part is gonna be getting this box to match perfect height. But
Well, why don't we just cut
we can do it. I'm gonna hold this fiber. Okay, I think I got it. One of the more stressful things is cutting pipe with a wire already inside.
Yeah.
It's a little nerve-wracking.
You would have had a hell of a fucking day doing these alone all
This
day.
would have sucked alone.
Yeah.
Like, it's not hard, but it
No.
just would have been taking a lot more time. You're good there?
Yep.
Well, and like, I've never done this before.
No.
So like, my troubleshooting would have been like, let me go look at all the other ones, I guess.
Yeah.
And, like, try. Good.
We able to pull that pipe out again.
Yep. Holy moly.
Nice. We're on.
It's on?
Yep.
Okay, and this is the finished product. Couldn't really help these pipes coming up sideways like that. That's just how it is. But so one of those boxes is Tellus, one's Shaw, and all the 3/4 goes to the units, 2 inches coming from the city. And that's all it is.